Hello everyone. Today what we will discuss the timeline of Indian history. We will discuss few things in this video and video will be short. This is the part 1 of the video and we will complete whole timeline of Indian history from the ancient history to modern history. Today we will cover and we will start from the Stone Age. Stone Age was the age which is the primarily age, and it is the first one age which we can see and we can read in the books of NCERTs. And Stone Age is divided into 3 parts. As you can see, I put here 3 arrows. It means it is divided into 3 parts. Stone Age is also called Lithic Age and it is divided into 3 parts. First one is Paleolithic Age, second one is Mesolithic Age, and third one is Neolithic Age. Okay, so the duration of Stone Age was 2 million years ago to 10,000 BCE. First thing I would like to clear is some dates in the timeline of history will be in the BCE and some will be in the AD. So what is BCE? BCE is the before Christ. If you discuss about the before Christ, Jesus Christ was Christian God, and we will consider the dates according to his date of birth on the world level. Okay, so BCE is before Christ era. It means if I say 600 BCE मतलब 600 साल पहले जीसस की बर्थ से पहले. If I say 500 BCE means 500 years before the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, so this is BCE, before Christ. Okay, next one is Anno Domini, AD. Anno Domini is a Latin, AD is a Latin word. It means Anno Domini. It means after the age or after the death of Jesus Christ. If I say 600 AD, it means 600 years after the death of Jesus Christ. So you can see the dates in the 2 or 3 parts, 2 or 3 things, the BCE and AD. Few more things are there that I will tell you in the next video. Okay, now so we will again go to the Stone Age, that is 2 million years ago to 10,000 BCE. It is divided into 3 parts: Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic Age. So what is lithic exactly? The spelling of lithic is LITHIC. It means stone. Okay, so this age is Stone Age, and the people who lived in that era, they use stone primarily for each and everything. They use stone to cut the meat, to kill the animal, and lot of things were there which performed with the stone only. Okay, stones were in the Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic Age was the first step of Stone Age. It means in the Paleolithic Age, that is 2 million years to 12,000 years BCE. It means the duration of BCE means this era exists, in this one area of India, and that was the time duration before the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, the next one is Mesolithic. The duration of Mesolithic is 12,000 years to 10,000 BCE. The thing is, tools were not raw. In the Paleolithic Age, tools were very raw and they were big. They were not sharp. Okay, so they were very tough to handle. For people who lived at the time, that was very tough to handle them. They were not in the shaped. But in the Mesolithic Age, they started to use micro tools. It means tools were of that type, they can be fit into the hand. Okay, they fit into the palm area, so they became micro. Okay, in the Neolithic Age, polished tool introduced by men and they were advanced tools. Okay, so few more things we will discuss, like stones were of 2 or 3 types. They were of stones, they were of wood, they were of bone. Okay, so they were of 2 or 3 types: stone, wood and bones. If you want, you may take a screenshot of this. Next, what they use, what was the use of stones? They cut meats and bone. They scrape bark of the tree. They chop fruits and vegetables and roots to eat with their stones. Okay. And at that time, the man was in the nomadic state. They go here and there to search their food. Okay. In the next step, the duration was 2700 to 900 BCE. That was Indus Valley Civilization or Harappa Civilization. We will discuss this civilization in the separate video. Okay. Next, in this civilization was, if I say about it, the civilization was city-like, and everything was in the urban form. The civilization was urban civilization, and no rural indication was there. Okay, and everything was in the very systematic form. Drainage system was very good condition. Drainage system was in a very good condition, and people were living in the very fine quality houses, and trade was there, commerce was there, and they were not depend on the nomadic states, and they were not depend on the farming also. So the Harappa civilization or the Indus Valley civilization was totally urban civilization. Okay, the duration is 2700 to 900 BCE. Now we go forward to the Vedic era. If we see the difference, look, it is 900 BCE and it is 1500 BCE. It means 300 years was nothing was there. It means it was the dark age. We don't know anything about it. So after the Harappa civilization, we came to know about the Vedic age, but there is a 300 years difference is there. Okay, now Vedic period is divided into two parts. As you say, 2 arrows are there. As I placed 3 arrows in the Stone Age, because the Stone Age was divided into 3 parts. Same here, Vedic age is divided into 2 parts, so I placed 2 arrow here. 500 BCE to 600 BCE. The dividation was pre-Vedic era and post-Vedic era. Okay, so in this era, the civilization was changed completely, because Harappa civilization was urban civilization and Vedic period was rural civilization. People were not depend on the trading, they were depend on the farming and animal rearing. Okay, so this is rural civilization, and people lived in the villages. In the Harappan civilizations, people were lived in the cities, proper cities, and no resemblance of, if I say about the resemblance of villages there. So Vedic period is divided into 2, pre-Vedic and post-Vedic. Vedas, Hindu Vedas introduced in this period only. Okay, so let's discuss about the Vedas. With Vedic period is divided into 2 parts, and this is 500 to 600 BCE, and pre-Vedic is 1500 to 10,000 BCE, and post-Vedic duration is 1000 to 600 BCE. Okay, so the pre-Vedic period, in the pre-Vedic period only one Ved introduced, that was Rig Ved. 4 Vedas in the Hindu history. In the Hindu, if we talk about the Hindu literature, only 4 Vedas are there: Samved, Yajur Ved, Rig Ved and Atharva Ved. In the Vedic age, only one Ved introduced, that was Rig Ved. Okay, so Rig Ved was the first Ved which is introduced in the Hindu literature. Okay, so who wrote Vedas? Several theories are there, but one theory is there only about the who were Aryans. If we talk about who wrote Vedas, Aryan wrote Vedas. But the question is that who were Aryans? 3 theories are here. Max Muller theory. If we discuss about the Max Muller theory, that is Central Asia. They came from Central Asia. कहाँ से आए थे Aryans? According to this theory, Aryans came from Central Asia. Okay. And then Bal Gangadhar Tilak theory, Arctic region and or North Pole. But I don't think this is reliable, because Arctic region, no people live there, I think. So this is the theory about Bal Gangadhar Tilak theory, that Aryans came from Arctic region or North Pole. Okay, next one is Dayanand Saraswati. According to Dayanand Saraswati theory, Aryans came from Tibet. Okay, but Max Muller theory is the most famous theory which tell us that they came from Central Asia. But who were Aryans were the people who were literate and extraordinary in their language skill, and they are far superior from others, and then they introduce Vedas to general public. Okay, now we will discuss post-Vedic period. Post-Vedic period is the duration of post-Vedic period was 1000 to 6000 BCE. Okay, rest 3 Vedas introduced in this period. Those were Samved, Yajurved and Atharvaved. Samved is the Ved which introduced the music in India. Okay, this is the primary thing which introduced music. Okay, all about the music is there in the Samved. Next one is Yajurved. It is all about yajna. You heard about the yajnas, yagya, sacrificial prayers, all prayers, Ashwamedh yagya, Rajasuya yagya, all the prayers which is comprises in these yajnas were taken from Yajurveda. Okay, so next one is Atharvaved. That is completely comprises of tantra, mantra and magical verses, magical formulas. ठीक है, for the long duration it was not considered, Atharvaved was not considered as Veda, but later it joined the community of Ved. Okay, primarily 3 Veds were there only, they were called trio of Veda. These Rigved, Samved and Yajurved. Later Atharvaved concluded in this. Okay, next one, Harappa. Now once again we go into Harappa civilization. Harappa civilization, why it is called Harappa civilization? Because in this civilization in 1920 we found a city, it names Harappa. That's why it is called Harappa civilization. Okay, so it is the overview of Stone Age to Vedic period. Vedic period is divided into 2 parts. I clear it to you. I clear it to the BCE and AD, Anno Domini. I clear you the meaning of lith, means stone. Okay, and have a look once again. Stone Age, Mesolithic Age, and Stone Age is divided into 3 parts: Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. Then Harappa civilization was there. Then Vedic period. Vedic period once again divided into 2 parts: pre-Vedic period and post-Vedic period. So make your notes, and I will come soon with the next video of Indian history timeline. Thank you.